How to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to your Binance. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up your Trust Wallet, and what you need to do is to simply search for USDT on your main screen. If you cannot find, you can click on Manage Crypto to search for your specific crypto. Otherwise, click on USDT and then click on the send button. You're gonna need to now open up your Binance and sign in and click on wallets on the bottom right and then click on the deposit. Then you're gonna need to search for USDT and then you just need to go for the ERC20 just like so, and then copy your address. Once you have copied your deposit address, you just need to go back to your Trust wallet and simply paste your address just like so. Once you do so, this is also going to show you which network you have to select on the top of your screen. In this case, ERC20. If I go back, ERC20 is selected. Once you are done with these details, you just need to enter the amount how much you want to withdraw, and then you can click on the next button and follow the on-screen instructions and confirm the transaction, and you will gonna receive your USDT within the given time, in this case ERC20, which is take 5 minutes. Hope this helped. This is how you can transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to your Binance.